Buddy, how are you doing? I hope your day is going fine. It's your mind, Michael Armstrong, and we are here to have some fun in the market making money. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Before I continue, I'd like to remind you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscription below this video. Make sure you like this video as well. Check the description. There's gonna be a link there that's gonna take you straight to our free Telegram channel. Also, check the comment section, the link is there to our free Telegram channel. In this channel you have free access to free signals and many more free products. All right, we are gonna be trading a 20 USD account, people. Yes, 20 USD account using our AI screener. Basically, it is an artificial intelligence product that predicts the direction of the market, and this is how it does it. You choose between classic market and OTC, and then you take a screenshot of your chart, you send it to it, it processes it and tells you whether to buy or sell, in short, and it gives you the time you are going to be executing the market. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our OTC markets today using our AI screener. Now let's go ahead and take a very nice screenshot of Tron OTC. Taking a very nice screenshot of Tron OTC, attaching it to my AI screener version 2.0. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to hold on tight to see how this is going to play out. And it says once we send it to process it and gives us a focus, studying candlesticks, and yes, it is a buy, a 1 minute buy. Let's set our timer on 1 minute and execute a buy order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight, ladies and gentlemen, and see how this is gonna play out after a 1 minute waiting time. All right, on our prediction, it says this is going to be a 1 minute buy, strong volatile level trade with a success probability said to also be high. All right, holding on tight to see how this is going to play out. 41 seconds left on the timer, and look at it, the buyers are pushing down, pushing up, the sellers are pushing down. We're going to hold on and see how this is going to play out. That candlestick has just given us a good head start. We're going to hope this is going to keep going upward, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, this is your AI screener version 2.0, predicting this trade to be a buy, ladies and gentlemen. 20 seconds left on the timer. We're gonna hold on tight and trust the process as this keeps going, ladies and gentlemen. We are almost there. 14 seconds left on the timer. The buyers are pushing up the market. We are going to hold on tight to see how this is gonna play out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, almost there. 4 seconds left. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth. This is a good start to the market session today, ladies and gentlemen. We're able to secure our first win for today. Let's go ahead and hit the market with the Litecoin OTC. Let's go ahead and take a nice screenshot of Litecoin OTC, then send it in to our AI screen, and let's see what the prediction is gonna be. Since once we send it to start analyzing it, and it's gonna give us a forecast. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. It's building strategies and studying candlesticks. Is this a buy or sell? We are about to find out, and it is a 1 minute sell, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. Prediction is that this is gonna be a 1 minute sell with the volatility level to be medium and then the success probability to be high. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out. Once again, this is your AI screener version 2.0, giving us trade, and the sellers are pushing down the market, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. 35 seconds left on the timer. 33 seconds left on the timer. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out. We are almost there, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, this is predicted by our AI screener version 2.0 to be a sell, and the sellers have came into the market, pushing down the market, and it is looking good, ladies and gentlemen. 15 seconds left on the timer. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out. 11 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. 6 seconds left on the timer. We are almost there. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Nice and smooth. That's another win for us today. Let's go ahead and keep cruising the market by hitting our next trade. All right, what is it gonna be? We're gonna go ahead and hit the market with our next trade, which is gonna be Cardano OTC on maximum account balance. Cardano OTC on maximum account balance. Let's go ahead and take a very nice screenshot of Cardano OTC trading chart. Taking a nice screenshot and attaching it to our AI screener, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to find out what the prediction is gonna be for this trade. Since once we send it to start analyzing it and give us a forecast. Is this gonna be a buy or sell, ladies and gentlemen? We are about to find out. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out, people, and it is loading. Since once we send it, it will start analyzing and it will give us a forecast. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. All right. We're gonna hold on as it is analyzing and processing. Let's see what the forecast is gonna be. Is it a buy or sell, ladies and gentlemen? And it is a buy, a 15 seconds buy, ladies and gentlemen. Setting my time on 15 seconds and executing a buy order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. Prediction is that this is gonna be a strong volatile trade with a success probability to be high. And as you can see, the buyers are pushing up the market. 3 seconds left on the timer, 2 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth, ladies and gentlemen. That's another win for us today. Let's go and keep cruising the market. Next trade is gonna be on Solana OTC. Let's go ahead and take a very nice screenshot of Solana OTC and attach a screenshot to our AI screener. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. It says you start analyzing, and ladies and gentlemen, it's gonna be a 3-minute buy. Let's go ahead and set our timer on 3 minutes and execute a buy order on this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, people. Prediction is that this is gonna be an 3-minute buy, volatility level to be medium, and then the success probability as well to be medium. We're gonna hold on and see how this is gonna play out after a waiting time. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is your AI screener version 2.0, holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out. On our timer, we have 2 minutes 32 seconds left. So ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna hold on and see how this is gonna play out. See you soon. All right, people. 17 seconds left on the timer. As you can see, the buyers have taken over the market. I'm giving us 3 huge candles buying. We're gonna hold on and see while we are almost there on our timer. We have 6 seconds left, people. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna go. 2 seconds, almost there. 1 second, and there you go, ladies and gentlemen. We just logged in another sweet win thanks to our AI screener. Let's go ahead and hit the market with a new trade, which is gonna be on Ethereum OTC, ladies and gentlemen. Going ahead to take a very nice screenshot of Ethereum OTC. Gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, people. Is it gonna be a buy or sell? Just once we send it to start analyzing and give us the forecast, studying candlesticks. And ladies and gentlemen, it is a 5-second sell. Let's go ahead and execute a 5-second sell on this trade. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out. 3 seconds left on the timer. 2 seconds. 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. That's another win for us. We are on the 466.33 USD mark. We are cruising in the market. All right, let's go ahead and hit our new forecast and hit the market with the next trade, ladies and gentlemen. And what is it gonna be? We're gonna go and hit the market with Avalanche OTC. Avalanche OTC maximum account balance. That is, we are risking everything we've got. Is this gonna be our next win in the market? We are about to find out. Taking a very nice screenshot and attaching it to our AI screen. And what is it gonna be? We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. It's analyzing chart, building strategies. And what is this gonna be, ladies and gentlemen? Studying candlesticks. It is a 1-minute buy. Let's set our timer on 1 minute and execute a buy order for this trade, people. Prediction is that this is gonna be a 1-minute trade, strong volatile trade with a success probability to be high. All right, the buyers are pushing up the market and it's looking good, ladies and gentlemen. 466 USD on the line. We're risking everything we've got. All right, the buyers have taken over the market and it's looking good for us. This is your AI screener version 2.0. All we have to do is to send screenshot and it predicts the market. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out. The sellers are putting up a fight. 30 seconds left on the time, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. We're almost there. AI screener predicting this trade to be a buy thanks to all the information and data strategies gets from different company data and forecasts to give us the trades. So far we have not taken a loss on this trade and we're able to scale on our account on 20 USD to almost 500 USD. We're almost there, ladies and gentlemen. 5 seconds left on the timer. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2, 1, and here we go, people. Yes, that's another win for us today. Nice and smooth. We have been able to trade an account from $20 to 895 USD. Let's take one more trade and we can call it a day from this session. All right, one more trade, last trade of the session, and that is gonna be on Polkadot OTC. Polkadot OTC. Let's go ahead and take a very nice screenshot of Polkadot OTC and send it into our AI screen of version 2.0. People, it's building strategies, building strategy, studying candlesticks, and what is it gonna be. Last trade of the session, it is a sell, a 1 minute sell. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order for this trade, people. We are going to hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out after a 60 seconds waiting time. Prediction is that this is gonna be a 1 minute strong volatile trade with a success probability to be high. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is your AI screen version 2.0 in action, giving us a trade. We have been able to trade an account from 20 USD, and we are on the 895 mark right now. We are taking our last trade of the session, and on the timer we have 30 seconds. The sellers are pushing down the market, the buyers are putting up a resistance, but we are gonna hold on tight to see how this is gonna play out. All we have to do is to send screenshots. As you can see, send screenshot, it gives you the parameters and then the prediction of the market. Okay, the sellers are giving us a very good one in the market. It is hot in here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are almost there. 8 seconds left on the timer. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. 5 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2, 1, and here we go, people. Yes, this has been a very good time in the market, ladies and gentlemen. Trading an account from 20 USD to 1,719.07. Let's go ahead and calculate the total amount of money we've made today using our calculator. How do we do that? We're gonna subtract from 1,719.07. We're gonna go ahead and subtract the initial investment, which was the initial capital at the beginning of this trading session. And ladies and gentlemen, the total amount of money we were able to make in this trading session today is gonna amount to a total of 1,699 USD.07 USD. Ladies and gentlemen, we were able to do that in less than 15 minutes using our AI screen. As you can see, basically all we had to do was take different screenshots of different charts, and it gives us the prediction whether to sell and whether to buy. And that was how we were able to scale our account from 20 USD to 1,700 USD. I highly recommend you get this for yourself, ladies and gentlemen. Highly productive, and it gives you an edge in the market, allows you to boost your account from a very small amount to big within a short period of time. All right. Before I sign out, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscription below this video. Make sure you like this video as well. Check the description. There's going to be a link there that takes you straight to our free Telegram channel where you have access to free signals and many more free products. The link is also in the comment section waiting for you. All right, it's your man Michael Armstrong. Wish you good luck in the market and success in your trading. Bye.